Hi, I am Erickson Madera and I am excited to apply for the video editor position. I have experience in editing short form and long form video contents, including social media videos, YouTube content, promotional videos, and advertisements. I primarily use Premiere Pro and have knowledge in using Adobe After Effects to create engaging edits with motion graphics, captions, sound design, and smooth pacing. I also use AI tools like Higgsfield, Pictory AI, Descript, 11 Labs, and ChatGPT to help with content planning and scripting. What I enjoy most about video editing is transforming raw footage into compelling content that captures attention and support marketing goals. I take pride in being reliable, detail-oriented, and always giving my best to every project. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to the opportunity to work with your team.